Hi everyone, we are in another special and important video. So last video we have discussed about the accounting, which is a very basic thing. Now this video we are going to talk about another important stuff, which is debit. What is a debit? Right. If you can remember, last video I have explained you how our grandparents used to record accounting transaction. Few decades back they used to have a general journal. Through the general journals they used a T account, and in the T account they used debits and credits. Now we are going to talk about debit. Debit is an entry on the left side of the double entry bookkeeping. If we get a double entry bookkeeping, this is the left side. This is the side which we are used to record debit transaction. But when it's come to ERP systems, there's most of the system there's no debit and credit. If there is any plus balance, they consider it as a debit. If there is a credit balance, they consider it as a credit. Right. Bookkeeping system that represent the addition of an asset or expenses, which means if there is any assets or any expense, if it's increased, we record that transaction in the debit side, and the reduction to liability or equity or revenue, if there's any reduction to liability, equity or revenue, revenue, we are record in the debit side. Don't worry if you don't know these, what is an asset, what is an expense, and liability, those stuff. In coming videos I'm planning to explain and how you can identify those things. So then it is the opposites of credit. Opposites of credit, you will understand why I'm telling that opposite of credit, because there's special method called double entry method. So I'm not talking about that now, so I'll keep it talk later. Then which is the recorded on the right side, which means opposite side of the credit. Opposite sides of the credit record in this right side, and each transaction consists of both a debit and credit. This is must. Each transaction consists both debit and credit, and the total debit must equal to the total credit. Keep that golden rule. If there is any debit, there must be credit, and total debits must equal to the total credit. If not, your accounts are incomplete. So let's meet up with another video, especially we talked about the debit side, and next video let's talk about the credit side, and after that we can go for the very important double entry method. So until next video, stay safe. Thank you.